Today I'm sharing what I eat each week for clear skin and a healthy weight. And this approach completely changed my body from the inside out. I'm a certified gut wellness coach, and what I'm sharing today comes from years of research, my training, and experience with myself and clients. In my early 20s, I was underweight, exhausted, dealing with migraines, and struggling with horrible cystic acne. I honestly felt so stuck. What finally helped wasn't another fad diet or supplement, but supporting my microbiome with simple, nourishing, traditional foods that my body could actually use. Now, I am a certified gut wellness coach, but remember, everyone is different, and what I'm talking about today may or may not apply to you and your individual situation. I always encourage everyone to do your own research and always check with your trusted medical professional before making any changes. Before we talk about food, I want to share where I was starting from. Even though I thought I was eating clean, my body wasn't thriving. I was underweight, I had low energy, fatigue, I was constantly dealing with awful cystic acne and skin flare-ups, and I was frequently getting headaches and migraines. Looking back, I wasn't nourishing my body in the right way, and I wasn't giving it the building blocks and tools that it needed. My liver was overwhelmed and I was unable to detox well. My digestion was struggling quietly, and my skin and my weight were showing it. If this sounds familiar, you're not broken. You might just need more nourishment, not another supplement. And keep watching, because in a little bit, I'm going to share what I did to support my microbiome, as well as something that I did that doesn't have to do with food, and it made a huge difference. So you definitely won't want to miss it. And if you would like to learn how to start supporting your gut with the most important foods and habits, be sure to check out my Gut Wellness Getting Started guide. It's completely free and it's linked down in the description for you. One of the first foods that I added consistently was milk kefir. Milk kefir, also pronounced kefir, is a traditional fermented dairy product that really helps to support microbial diversity. It contains higher amounts of beneficial bacteria and beneficial yeasts, making it more powerful and therapeutic than yogurt. I include it in small, gentle amounts throughout the week. And when I started doing this, over time, I noticed better digestion, feeling calmer and clearer, and better skin. Supporting my microbiome with kefir helped my body feel more balanced and less reactive. And if you're new to this, it doesn't take large amounts. Starting with a small amount and staying consistent is more than enough when you're just starting. I'd love for you to go down and leave me a comment and let me know what's been your biggest takeaway so far. Has anything surprised you? What are you struggling with the most when it comes to gut wellness? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear from you. Another big shift was discovering just how much animal fat was helpful. I started adding more butter and other traditional fats like ghee and tallow into my meals in larger amounts than I've ever had before. Slowly and intentionally. Fats really helped meals feel more satisfying, it helped my energy, and helped my weight stabilize naturally. More fat also helped my liver and gallbladder work more easily. My skin became less inflamed and more resilient over time. So if you're new to this, go slowly. Even small additional amounts of animal fat can be very supportive. And it's easiest on the body to start small and increase slowly, because the body needs time to adjust. And keep watching, because this next food was hands down the most important and foundational when it came to resolving my health issues. And if you would like help finding the best foods that support gut wellness from the inside out, make sure to check out my free nutrient-dense foods shopping guide. It's completely free and it's down in the description for you. One of my non-negotiables now is meat stock. Meat stock is made by cooking raw meat with a bone in it, along with vegetables and herbs and good mineral salt. It can be cooked in the oven or on the stove top or in a crock pot or slow cooker. This became one of the easiest ways to really nourish my gut without thinking too hard. It's grounding, comforting, and incredibly supportive for the digestive system. Meat stock contains so many important nutrients, collagen, amino acids, and these help to calm inflammation, seal leaky gut, and help the body with repair. So if you are feeling overwhelmed, this one thing is a great place to start. One pot, one meal, loads of nourishment. And now we're getting to what I promised, the thing that I did that didn't have to do with food and it made a huge difference. The biggest change came with not a specific food. It was taking a holistic approach and supporting my entire body, giving it the nutrients that it needed to become well. A lot of this had to do with my mindset. I stopped trying to control my body and instead just focused on supporting it. I learned that our bodies are incredibly wise, and when we give them the right tools, the nutrients we need, they get right to work, repairing, cleaning up, and becoming well. And they do this in the right order and at the right pace. By focusing on digestion and microbiome support, my skin cleared gradually and my weight normalized all on its own. My energy improved, my headaches and migraines melted away, and my body finally felt grounded and well. Healing didn't happen overnight, but it did happen with consistency and support. And it was incredible. So if you're struggling with skin, weight, or energy, your body might be asking for deeper nourishment. Start with one supportive food, give your body time, and let consistency do the work. Small, gentle changes really can transform how you feel. Make sure to check out that description for links to my free Gut Wellness Getting Started guide and my Nutrient Dense Foods shopping guide. They are linked for you down in the description, and they're completely free. Now that you know what I eat each week for clear skin and healthy weight, you might be wondering, what is the easiest way to start making homemade probiotic foods? It all starts by watching this video next here, because when you pair what you learned in this video with what you're about to learn here, it's so much more powerful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.